Hello, I'm Rachna Shah, founder of Swanand. Happy Women's Day to all. Let us celebrate womanhood today. For that, let us understand what woman is. For me, woman is associated with creation. She is born to create. She's always in a creating mode. From the very childhood, she creates a bond of love for everybody. When she cooks, she creates. When she works on something, she creates. She is in the professional area, she creates something. Creating is in her DNA. She always creates to make world a better place and works for the benefit of all. And we should understand that when a creator works, they just don't want any acknowledgement, no appreciation, nothing, because they know what is their goal, what is their motto, to create something. So it is a deep satisfaction for a woman when they create something. Today, in the modern world, when the women have stepped in the professional area, they are working there and very successful over there. So something I would like to say is that while working, we should not have that feeling to prove ourselves, to compare ourselves with the men. Men have their own role and they play it very gracefully. We are here to complement each other. We should understand that what work they can do, we are not able to do it. And what we can do, they are not able to do it. So ultimately, we are complementing each other to make this world a better place to live in. And you should never feel disappointed or victimized or sad for not achieving anything, or if the things doesn't work your way, because you should understand that you are the creator. Creativity is within you. If you think and you decide, you can create anything with your art and craft, since you are born with it. God has created woman to create. She brings forth the creation in the world. So womanhood is a very, very precious role and a big responsibility also. So we should understand that womanhood is something very dear and very responsible, and we are here to create things, to make this world a better place. And always women work at the source level. They never work with the symptoms. They work at the source level, so they exactly know what to do, how to do, when to do, where to do. And they do it very gracefully. And they are very, very deeply satisfied when the work is done. So it is very essential that we celebrate womanhood and love our womanhood, because we exactly know what we are doing it for the people around, because ultimately you always want a very loving family and a very good family life, which only happens when a woman is balanced, calm, and she works the way it should be done. So as a woman, we have a big responsibility, which we are doing it nicely, but again, we should take care that the feeling of proving ourselves or showing people what we do doesn't come in our way. And we can enjoy this womanhood throughout our life, and through us, people can enjoy. Have a good day.